firearms training. In a prior video, we showed Ken Hackathorn's BFM drill. That's 3 targets, approximately 1 yard apart. That's the bill drill, 6 to the body. The fast drill, 2 to the head, reload, 4 to the body. And then the Mozambique, which is 2 to the body and 1 to the head. Today, we're going to incorporate the AR into the BFM drill. So the way we're going to do this is like this. 6 to the body, 2 to the head, on safe, transition to handgun because I've got my magazine loaded with a total of 8 rounds. Then with the handgun, 4 to the body, transition over here, 2 to the body, and 1 to the head. We'll see how we can do this. In order to prep your magazines, make sure that you have a total of 8 in a gun. So if you've already got 1 chambered, that's 7 in a magazine. If you don't already have 1 chambered, that's only 8 in the magazine. You'd be surprised at how many people forget that. So let's give this a try. All right, I got a raw time of 9:73. Let's see how I did. All right, I'm clean here with the headshots. I'm clean here. I've got 1 out here, so that adds a full second. Got 2 to the body, 1 to the head. Raw time was 9:73, and my total time was 10:73. Go out, set it up, give it a try. We look forward to seeing you on the range.